Hello friends, good evening all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the important facts or important questions of about William Shakespeare. The very first question is Venus and Adonis is a long narrative poem by जिसे नेट दिसंबर 2004 में आया हुआ है क्वेश्चन the right answer the right answer is William Shakespeare. Venus and Adonis is a poem by William Shakespeare written in 1592 and 1593 with a plot based on passages from Ovid's Metamorphoses. Next, question number 2. The total numbers of poems in Shakespeare's sonnets. Shakespeare's sonnet जो है शेक्सपियर के जितने भी sonnets हैं उसका टाइटल है Shakespeare's sonnets और इसमें कितने sonnets थे ये तो बहुत ही इजी सा क्वेश्चन है. There are 154 sonnets written by William Shakespeare dedicated to Henry W.H. Earl of Southampton and a Dark Lady. Shakespeare's sonnet is the title of the collection of 154 sonnets by Shakespeare, which covers themes such as the passage of love, beauty, and morality. The first 120 sonnets are addressed to the young man, and next and the last 28 a dark lady. The first folio of William Shakespeare's play appeared. विलियम शेक्सपियर के जितने भी प्लेस थे he has written 37 plays and 36 plays are published in first folio and the one play cannot be published in the first folio Pericles. So the right answer of this question is 1623 is the time when the first folio of William Shakespeare was appeared in or published in. The first folio is the first collected edition of William Shakespeare's plays published in 1623. 7 years after his death, he wrote around 37 plays, 36 of which are contained the first folio. The one remain is Pericles, which was not published in the first folio. Now, शेक्सपियर क्रिटिसिज्म बाय शेक्सपियर की क्रिटिसिज्म किसके द्वारा की गई है? ऑप्शन है आपके स्पार्गन, टी.एस. एलियट, स्टेफेंस, ग्रीनबेल्ट एंड ब्रैडली, स्पार्गन, टी.एस. इसमें एक सीक्वेंस हमको बताना है तो हमारा जो राइट आंसर होगा ब्रैडली, स्पॉन्टिन, स्पार्गन, टी.एस. एलियट, स्टीफन ग्रीनबेल्ट, यही सही आंसर होगा. The correct canonical sequences A.C. Bradley, Shakespeare Tragedy in 1904, T.S. Eliot, Hamlet in Hamlet and His Problems 1999, Coraline Spaughan ने लिखा है Shakespeare's Imagery in 1935 and Stephen Greenwald on Poetics of the Culture and the Interpretation of Shakespeare in 1987. The right answer is B. Chronicle A.C. Bradley, T.S. Eliot, and Spaughan and Stephen Greenwald. The line present fears are less than horrible imagination ये किस प्ले में अकर हुई हैं? तो ये जो है किंग लियर मैकबेथ में ये लाइन मैकबेथ प्ले में अकर हुई है. मैकबेथ इज बिलीव्ड टू हैव बीन रिटन in 1599 or 1606. It was first published in first folio 1623. Next one. Next question. Question number 6. The relationship between Othello and Iago is an example of inversion. Inversion means Othello is the person who loved Iago, but Iago is the such kind of person who hated and jealousy, malice from the Iago side, and trust and nobility from the Othello. Othello और ये जो प्ले है it was written in 1603 and it is also published in first folio 1623. यागो जो है इस तरीके का व्यक्ति था, वो उससे घृणा करता था. After Shakespeare made his debut as a London playwright, he was described as a upstart crow, and it is a very important and बहुत ही ज़्यादा आने वाला phrase है. और it was said by Mr. Robert Greene, who was one of the member of uh, university bits, because Shakespeare was not so educated like the university bits members. The first references to Shakespeare as an actor playwright was in 1592. या ऐसा माना जाता है कि शेक्सपियर जो है पहली बार 1592 में आए थे. He was attacked by the Robert Greene in 1592 as an upstart crow. In which place Shakespeare do we found widowed queens questioning and assumptions of male politics? It is the right answer of this question is Richard III, because it is approx in 1592 depicts the Machiavellian rise to power and subsequent short reign of the King Richard III of England. Ripeness is all occurs. Ripeness is all occur. It is occurred in the play King Lear. ये जो क्वेश्चन है यूजीसी नेट जून 2008, 2009 एंड DSSB PGT 2014 में आया. तो रैपनेस इज ऑल ये किंग लियर में है. रैपनेस इज ऑकर इन द किंग लियर एक्ट 5 सीन सेकंड रिटन बाय विलियम शेक्सपियर. Edgar said these lines to Gloucester. Next, AC Bradley. ये तो बहुत ही सिंपल हुआ. अभी हम लोगों ने बात की थी. AC Bradley's ने Shakespeare's tragedy was published in 1904. इसका आंसर जो होगा वो 1904 होगा. Andre Cecil Bradley, AC Bradley, Andre Cecil Bradley was an English literature scholar best remembered for his work on Shakespeare. His two major works are Shakespeare and Tragedy 1904 and Oxford Lectures on Poetry 1909. Next, question number 11. Which of the following Shakespearean plays are in the correct chronological sequence? अब इसमें कौन से ऐसे ड्रामा है शेक्सपियर के जो सही क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में लिखे हुए हैं?